Hey everyone, this is Motologger Sid. Welcome to my new video. Our channel crossed 20,000 subscribers and it is a big number. I want to say thank you to everyone who just wished me. In this video, I want to share my experience with you. So come on. Hi guys, welcome to Motologger Sid YouTube channel. I am so happy to announce that our channel just crossed 20,000 subscribers, as you may know already, but it is very exciting moment for me as my hard work finally paid off. And in this video I'm going to show you my journey, but before I start this video I just want to say thank you to everyone who just wished me for this achievement. So I'm going to show you a quick compilation of all the people who just wished me for this 20,000 subscribers achievement. So let's begin.
Hey Siddesh, congratulations for the 20k subscriber and all the best for the future.
Hey Siddesh, congrats on the 20k subscribers on your channel and I wish you all the best for the next 20k. Cheers.
Congratulations Sid for your 20,000 subscribers. Hope to see your silver button soon.
Hey, hi Siddesh, congratulations for 20k subscribers and all the best for future.
Congratulations Sid for 20,000 subscribers. All the very best.
Hi Sidhu, congratulations for your 20k subscriber. All the way love from USA. And good luck for your future, bro.
Well, congratulations Sid for crossing 30k subscribers. All the best for your future rides and future vlogs as well. May all your wishes come true.
Congratulations Motologger Sid for 20,000 subscribers. Thanks all riders from Enfield, Harley, Benelli and Triumph for supporting our channel and make it big.
Hey Siddesh, congratulations for completing 20,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and I wish you all the best for future.
Hi Siddesh, congratulations 20,000, you're doing great job, yeah, keep it up, yeah, all the best and keep posting all those. Thank you.
सिद्धेश दादा तुला खूप खूप अभिनंदन 20,000 सबस्क्रायबर्स बद्दल.
Congrats Siddesh Dada for 20k subscribers.
Congratulations Motologger Sid for 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Being a car guy, I'm very interested in his channel because of his great content, great work, great effort he put in his videos. So best of luck for your future videos and keep it up, bro.
Hearty congratulations to Motologger Sid on completing 20,000 subscribers. We have witnessed his journey from a new YouTuber to a pro Motologger. Let's wish him the best and let's hope that we will reach 20 million soon.
Hi, congratulations Siddesh for 20,000 subscribers. Many more miles to go. Godspeed.
Hi Siddesh, congratulations on your 20k subscribers. Hope to meet you soon. लवकरात लवकर एक राईड करू.
Some people won't be able to do this because of their busy schedules, but okay, I got your wishes in text format also. Because of you all, our channel is reached the place where it is today, and I'm so happy once again. So let's begin this amazing journey. Yes, I started my YouTube channel with a purpose, and that is to record my road trips, to record super bikes and super cars and recall them back, because memories have very special place in my heart. I also wanted to make moto vlogs because I am an auto enthusiast. I am pure car and superbike spotter. So whenever I see something exciting on road, I want to share with you guys and also recall my memories. So that is the main purpose of my channel when I started back in January 2016. At that time I was started my YouTube channel, but I was not working. So with just help of pocket money and mom's little financial help before every ride, I started riding in Sundays only and mostly solo. And I have taken lot of risk on road too, because I have basic camera, basic helmet, no riding gears. Just with a pair of gloves and just a zipper and helmet and camera, I was left to ride. One very important thing like riding gears, which I wasn't able to buy. I was collecting my money for rides and won't be able to spend for riding gears for a long time. After riding like this, it happens halfway through 2016. Then I realized that riding solo is not going to help me on my YouTube channel, because I was very depressed at that time. My channel is not giving me the returns that I was expecting from it, and I was not expecting a lot, but I was struggling in many areas. Like I have downloaded a very critical software, Sony Vegas Pro 13, and it took me 6 months to learn properly. I had very basic camera like HJ Cam HJ4000, and that camera was not enough to record the things more beautifully like what I am doing today with GoPro Hero 7. So many struggles I did. I refused to give up. I continue my channel like this, but then I started to grow my contacts by riding in groups. So RID is the first group that I joined, Royal Indian Devotes. It is very professional group. Almost every one of them has long distance ride experience, so it is very professional group. Even the first video of my channel, first ever video, was a group ride. It was 26 January 2016, Republic Day ride. Of course, before that I made many videos, but I never upload on YouTube because I was not happy with my recording, my camera angle and my editing. So that's why first video I upload on my channel, and that is about Republic Day ride 2016 with RID to Mumbai. Second part of 2016, I was associated with another group, and it is the City Riders. Then things were changing significantly, because in City Riders I was in management position. So me and some of my friends were organizing ride. Instead of just being part of group, I was making group more stronger, City Riders group, because I was very important part and only vlogger in that group. And me and some of my friends from City Riders group went to Mahabaleshwar. That was the big ride of the season. At that time I was just got admission in K11 Academy of Fitness Science, in which I was learning personal training course and sport nutrition. So that was learning phase for me. Then in 2016 nothing happens very special until the last quarter of 2016, in which Augie F, yes, very famous motovlogger of Mumbai, Augie F was just organized his subscriber meetup, first ever subscriber meetup with his face reveal. And I know already that many riders are going to go there, including some motovloggers. It is my best decision in 2016 to attend that Augie F subscriber meetup. I was chatting with some riders on Facebook, and I got one of my friend, Rahul Vlogs, and he's an amazing guy. Yeah, then we went together to Augie F meetup, and then I met Rahul's friend, Lifestealer Ajinkya, also very good YouTuber, and you know him already. From Lifestealer Ajinkya I learned many things as well. And I made first ever Royal Enfield Himalayan review of his motorcycle, and that was I uploaded on my channel. Then I got first ever review of Bajaj Dominar 400. It is very aggressive price tag. You will not get any adventure motorcycle at least like this in this price tag. Our life is a result of the choices we made, and that is the best choice in 2016 November to go to Augie F meetup. So I got two friends. In first half of 2017 I just made 4 to 5 rides, mostly with RID, one of which is 26 Jan Republic Day ride to Lonavala. I didn't have much time to ride at that time because I was preparing for my exams of sport nutrition and personal training course, and the money problem was still there because even in 2017 I was not working. But in May month of 2017 I got my third job, or first job after starting my channel, and that is Bodyfuel Gym in Badlapur. Yes, and it was again very struggling period for me. That job is 5 to 10 in evening, and in mornings I have to do my own workout with my good buddy Mittal in Talwalkar's gym in Kalyan. Then I took some time for editing, then lunch and everything. So I left home at around 4 o'clock. I be there in Badlapur Bodyfuel Gym at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock I have to stand continuously. I just got half an hour break in between, and then again coming back to home by train, and it was 45 minutes journey. So yes, I got job, and I started my job at Monday. Monday to Saturday I worked continuously and only standing job. My legs was hurting at that time. On first Sunday I went to Malches Ghat with Radhe, and that trip was the most rewarding trip I did so far in this Motovlogger Seed YouTube channel, because I made 4 videos in that ride, and collectively I generated around 8 lakh views from that Malches Ghat ride, and most of which come from Radhe Bai's Classic 350 customized review. and that video was responsible to make my channel monetized and to reach my first 1000 subscribers. After this marches got right, next 6 days, Monday to Saturday, I worked in this gym, very physically demanding work. Next Sunday, I went to Pune Balaji with Radhe Bhai. You know, Sunday rides is also physically demanding because you don't have any rest. You just got mental peace. And then again, Monday to Saturday work, and then I got holiday. Means I got my job on Monday, Monday to Saturday work, Sunday ride, again Monday to Saturday work, Sunday ride, then again Monday to Saturday work, and then I got my first holiday. So that was hard work. If you're not giving that to your YouTube channel will not grow. If you stop, if you just give up, then you won't be able to achieve what I achieved in this YouTube channel. So you know, at that time I was working for only 7,000 rupees salary, 7,000 rupees per month. You know, how could I manage my rides? After some rides with Radhe Bhai, also we did a Kalsubai ride in that period, and RID group was celebrating their 2nd anniversary, and they invited me and they want to give me award of best motovlogger of the group, and I was so happy to get award. Why I left that job, I want to share an interesting story. 15th August 2017, Independence Day ride we organized from 13 to 15, me and City Riders group. My boss was refused to give me holiday. I was doing that job to sponsor my own rides, you know, and my boss is not happy with that. So I left that job, you know. After some months, he called me back. I refused to go there because there are some values that you have and you don't have to lose that value for any situation, and that's why I decided to skip the job and ride. We went to Kolhapur at 13th of August. Every place nearby Kolhapur we visited. You just check the playlist Kolhapur ride. It was one of the longest and one of the most memorable rides I have done so far. I was still lacking money since September because I got all my saving used. In 15th August, when we came back, I got call from Vignesh that, oh, I am getting delivery of Royal Enfield Classic 350. I know already that he is getting. And then I was so happy. So I made his Classic 350 review before Kolhapur ride video. And that's where sequencing plays very important role. I went to Kolhapur first, but I made video of Classic 350 first, because that is the trending topic, and it's nice experience. They have upgraded many things. First of all, the BS4 engine is very refined and smooth compared to the old BS3. I started watching compilations of other YouTubers like SBK BR, Mulholland Highways. From that two YouTube channels, I started making my own compilation. In 2017, I made my first compilation video. It is like best sounding motorcycles in the world, and that video got massive success. If you think like something is rewarding to your life, then you don't have to listen to anybody. You just have to listen to yourself and do that job. 90% of my subscribers came to my channel just because they want to watch compilation videos. In 2016 to 2017, I didn't do anything special. You know, I was just able to organizing rides because of City Riders group. Then I got call from Royal Shri, another YouTuber from RID, that, hey, you have to come for Tapula ride. And again, I was unable to refuse. It was around Navratri time.
Yes, I forced him to come over here. Otherwise, he was not going to come.
I'm glad I came here because my plan was about to cancel. But very nice area. We went to Kas Plateau with RID. That ride was so special for me. I did a lot of enjoyment there. It was my first professional outdoor ride, and with a nice group. It was 1 day stay ride. It is kind of ride, 1 day stay ride or 2 day stay rides I enjoyed most, because while you go you enjoy a lot because you don't want to come back on same day. Enjoyment with my good friends Yuvraj, Royal Shri, Amol Dusar and many others at that trip, but I lost my camera, or not lost, but I broke my camera at that ride. So after that I was no HJ cam, not even HJ cam I have for next couple of months. City Riders called me at 5 p.m. at one day, and it was like weekend, and they told me like, oh, we are going to Lonavala for midnight. We started executing at midnight, 12 o'clock in night. We went to Lonavala, we reached there at 3. We have some fun at Tiger Hills, 3 to 5. At that time with City Riders, 2 new riders joined, one with Suzuki Gixxer SF. Next day I had to go to Pune with my family. So that day morning I came from Lonavala, but I took that Gixxer for half an hour. I made a review and then I get back. Had couple of hours sleep and then again went to Pune with my family. I decided to make the review because that chance you won't get every day. And I made review. That review also got successful. So it is confidence inspiring motorcycle because the tires are good, this is lightweight motorcycle, brakes are good, and even the ABS works fantastic. In 2017, in October I got a new job, first job or second job after I started my channel. It was Borgaonkar Gym, 5 to 10, 5,000 rupees salary.
जो भी लोग देख रहे हैं इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए इसको और शेयर कीजिए इसके वीडियोस.
After getting that job, I just had done 2-3 rides, one of which was just to Thane. Friends meetup और येऊर में बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने मिले. और अभी जो फायरिंग आप सुन रहे हैं वो फकीरा राइड्स की बेनेली की है. So it was Lifestealer Ajinkya subscribers meetup on his birthday. We enjoyed a lot there, and then me and Radhe went to Manmad in 2018, 26 Jan, Republic Day. I took El Diablo from my friend Sudesh. At that time I wasn't owning that. I took camera from my friend Sairaj who has RC390, and then I went to my native place from my R15. One day go, second day return. Again you can see a video on YouTube, 260 kilometers in 4 hours. So it was race against time because 27 Jan is the Saturday. I have to go to my job Borgaonkar Gym because I got only 5,000 rupees salary and I don't want to miss that day. So I had to go to that gym from 4:30 to 10. I left my native place which is at Vai Satara at 11:30. I be here at 3:30. So just 4 hours, and that was my fastest 260 kilometers ride. So sometimes you don't have any choice, you know. If you are lacking with money, then you have to make some compromises. My brothers want me to stay for another day, but I refused. I again left job because I don't want to continue for just 5,000 rupees salary. Again I have to go to my native place because it was like festival at my native place. हेलो गाइस, दिस इज मोटोलॉगर सिड विथ माय फ्रेंड लाइफस्टाइलर अजिंक्य. ये वीडियो होने वाला है रॉयल एनफील्ड की क्लासिक 500 वर्सेस बजाज डोमिनार 400.
टेस्ट राइड रिव्यू माय नेक्स्ट मोटरसाइकिल. तो आपका इसका सीटिंग कंफर्ट कैसे लगा?
From that 26 Jan ride with El Diablo, I started making my channel professional. Since then, I improved my channel a lot. I was also open sport nutrition shop at the end of 2018. Before making that shop, I went to many places. The result of our efforts is not depends on how much professional we are or how much good we are in our genre. Is not depend on that. It depends on the decisions we make. You know, in 2018, in May month, I went for a big family vacation. It was really good vacation. I came back home at Saturday from that very long vacation, you know. I was so physically tired after that because I went to home at 11 p.m. at night. And I got a WhatsApp message like, tomorrow there is a safety ride in Thane, which is just around 45 minutes from my home. But I had to leave 6 o'clock in the morning. I got that message at midnight. I told to myself whether I have to go or not because I was already so tired physically. Again, I have money problem that was still there. I set alarm in my phone and told myself like only if I wake up I go. If I snooze that alarm, I know that I'm going to miss the ride, and I was not so much interested in that ride, but one mind of me telling me that there is going to be a lot of super bikes and you have to record them because you are a super bike spotter. You can rest for entire day because next day was Sunday. You know what happens? I wake up 5:30 a.m. in the morning without alarm, got the strongest coffee possible, and then I went to that ride. And that message I got from that WhatsApp group, there was a guy and who is Maddie. I asked him like, are you coming? He was completely new person for me. He said yes, I am coming, meet me at Durgadi. I went to Durgadi and meet many friends. Vinu Iyer, Maddie, they were completely stranger for me. At that place I also met Maggie. We went together to Thane. I told Maggie like, okay, Kalyan, Dombivli and Ulhasnagar people stay together because we went to go back home together. We came back to Kalyan together after that safety ride, but a good thing happened during that safety ride. I was just recorded by chance. A cop, means a policeman, riding BMW S1000 RR. That is the premium superbike. I have to spot it. I got a permission from him and got a picture with that motorcycle. You need to follow me on Instagram to get the images like that. But BMW S1000 RR is a rare bike and police is riding that is the rarest opportunity, and I was lucky enough to capture that with my SJ cam. The second SJ cam I got with my mom and my auntie sponsored me that camera of 6,000 rupees, and with that cheap 6,000 rupees camera I recorded that. I made total 5-6 video of that ride. Collectively I got 1 million views of that ride, around 1 million views. The decision was to wake up and attend that ride. I got attend that ride and I got many friends and also a good video. I met Maggie at that time. He later on became my friend. I went with Maggie for taking his bike back after he wrapped his motorcycle. Since then our friendship started growing. I learned many things from Maggie, like how to launch motorcycle properly and many other things also about racing motorcycle. Maggie is the only person I know who is more crazy for motorcycles than me, and who has more knowledge about motorcycle in engineering and components than me, or one of the best friend I have. So we have unlimited memories. I won't be able to share everything about him in this video, but he's a fantastic guy, and my decision to go to that ride was the best decision I got in 2018. I got friends, I got good viral videos. Even the Rush Lane magazine requested me to use my thumbnail in their vlog. I said yes, you can upload, just mention my name somewhere around. They say yes, and again my videos getting viral because of even big parties are interested in my channel. In 2018 latter part I was busy in my shop days, but still I did many rides with Maggie, short rides, many rides with my good with city riders and some city rider friends. 2018 was the year. Many racing videos I was uploaded, like Yamaha versus Enfield, again Yamaha versus Yamaha, Enfield versus Benelli, Harley versus Enfield, many racing videos. Most of them I removed from YouTube because I don't want to get my channel demonetized. 2019 is the most up and down year for me. I was happy and so satisfied at extreme end, and I was so depressed at extreme end because my business was not going well, because rent I have to pay a lot, and every income I get it was goes in mostly the rent of that shop. It was 25,500 rupees per month, and I need to take that from my profits. It was a really tough thing for me at that time, so I was get depressed many times. But YouTube is the thing that helped me a lot, because I won't be able to share my income with you, but it was good enough to make my own expenses in riding. So I don't want to depend on shop money. In 2019, I did many rides with RID, with all the groups I wanted to ride. I did ride. Me and Maggie ride many times. I have done lot of rides. Almost every Sunday I ride. Some of which are paid really well to my YouTube channel, like Safety Rally 2019, Harley Davidson ride. Some rides rewarded me back a lot of subscribers and lot of new audience, lot of likes and lot of revenue to my channel. One is Motul and Harley Davidson organized safety rally to Mumbai, in which I made many videos. Around 2 lakh views I generated, but subscriber grabbing views. It was my first ride associated with Motul and Harley Davidson. Next rally again organized by Harley Davidson and RTO rally, but at that time many superbikes were also there. I got lot of views that safety rally. In that safety rally I met a good guy, his name is Maddie, Maggie's friend, who also owns Benelli TNT 300. I just asked him, can you just ride this motorcycle for me? I just want to make a video about it. And he said yes. That video I made crossed 1,50,000 views. Whoa, it's louder than I thought. So don't hesitate while asking others. People are ready to help you. The problem is you don't ask. I asked him for once. He said yes. I crossed 1,50,000 views on single video. Mostly I was not feeling happy out of weekend. So at that time I figured out the solution by the end of year. That is to shut down the shop and do this business from home only. And that was the good decision, because earlier 2020 entire world got shut down. So actually God helped me to take that decision. After winding up my shop, I got a good GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, and I was able to save around 40,000 rupees at that time. And from little bit help from YouTube, I was able to buy El Diablo. Just 1 month before lockdown, I got that R15, but I did 2 good rides in 2020 with that R15, means before lockdown. First is to Lavasa, second one is Igatpuri Biker Syndicate. And in 2020 then pandemic happens, but one good thing happened in my life, that I got married in 2020 and my life changed significantly. I was now more mature, more relaxed and more calm, but I was working a lot. I am so happy that YouTube is contributing a lot in my income, but I am also doing business from home, so I am more relaxed now. There are some things that I missed, like I want to own a super bike. I want to make a long ride, first out of state long ride with my wife and my other riding buddies. So I met with a very big crash in 2020, in which I got many marks at my body, permanent marks, you know, like these. These are the marks that I got in my body. They are not so visible in camera, but they are still there. At that time, for one day I thought like, oh, is it over of my riding? I said no. I repaired my motorcycle. I did ride again. After even that, I did a good ride in 2020 with my good buddy Yosoy Mittal to Malches Ghat, and at that time we took both of my motorcycles and we got some good photos. In 2020 I did a lot of travel, but mostly with my wife, because we are just married. So biking was sacrificed little, but we still did many rides together, even in motorcycles. In 2021, it is half year gone, I did again many rides, and now I am uploading premium content. I have taken test ride of lot of motorcycles in these 3 years. I have associated with many people in these 3 years, like Bullet Factory, Garage 360 and many other. I started unfollowing all Indian vloggers since 2018 and started to follow just world class vloggers. Shmi 150 is the channel I am following since 2011. 650 Shmi 150, Manny Koshbin, Supercar Blondie. These are the 4 YouTubers I like to follow and I like to watch every single video. Out of which Shmi 150 and 650 Eve I learn a lot. So that is the story how I reached 20,000 subscribers. It is lot of work, lot of hard work, lot of setbacks, lot of financial struggle, but at the end of the day I learn from that things. So I am so happy that all of you guys are so happy about my 20,000 subscribers journey. Motologger Sid YouTube channel is all about premium motorcycle content and occasional road content. Stay tuned.